Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. Today in this video we will talk about 11th class, since this is a new subject to all the 11th. So first of all I want to tell you that there are two books in sociology. The first book is Introducing Sociology, the second book is Understanding Society. Both the books are having 5 chapters each. Here in this book, first book, Introducing Sociology, we are taking our first chapter, that is Sociology and Society. It is basically the introduction of the subject as well as the introduction of society and sociology. Here see, I have written 4-5 subtopics which we are going to have in this chapter. The very first topic is society. Since you know the sociology is the subject of society, so it is very important to understand what society is. Society, you may have heard Resident Welfare Association, Resident Welfare Society and different kind of other societies. But actually what the society is? The society is basically a group of people. It may have 2 people, 10 people, 100 people, thousands of people, so many people can be there in a society. But if we are having hundreds of people, thousands of people, can we call it a simple society? Or there are some other things behind it? Students, the society is a group of people which is sharing something common in each and every one. There should be at least one thing common among all them. Only then we can call it society, otherwise we cannot. So what is society? Society is basically a group of people which are sharing something common. Or we can also call it that society is a web of relations. Why? Because there is a web, you know, like Makdi ka jala. So it is like the people, those who are related with one another in some manner or other. All the people are together, they are working for the welfare of each and every one of their society. So that's why the importance of society becomes more than anything else. Since we have become the member of the society since our birth, so it is not very difficult to understand for us. When we take birth, at the same time, we are becoming the member of a particular family, particular religion, particular caste, particular country. There are many things which are given to us soon after our birth. We were not asked about it. The choice is not taken from us. It is directly given to us without asking. So that is the society. Now see, the next is sociology. What is sociology? Sociology is the subject which is talking about the society or going to study the social matters, because we are studying everything except society. So sociology is a subject when we will study about the society, about the relations of the people, about the castes, about the religions, about the social problems and all, right? The one thing is about sociology that it is a pluralistic perspective. What does pluralistic perspective mean? Pluralistic, you know, the word plural. Plural means so many. The sociology does not worry about the individual problems, does not study the individual problems. It studies the problem of plural, problem of lots of people together. Only then it is called sociology. Only then it is called the study of society. If an individual is having the problem or any issues, that is not the content of sociology, right? Now see, we'll talk about the difference between subjects and sociology. Here we'll talk about sociology and anthropology right? What is anthropology? Anthropology is the subject where we talk about the human development from early man and how the human being has become till now, today's person, high-tech person, the person who is reaching to Mars, Moon and other planets, or can save the life of everyone. We can say a second name of God to the human being it has become. So the development from early man till now, that is called anthropology. But in sociology, we do not talk about the development of human being. We just talk about whatever human being is doing now, nowadays, today. That is the content of sociology. Got the difference? The next is the difference between sociology and history. History is a subject where we talk about the past events, the wars, the people, those who died, those who did a lot of hard work. That is the content of history. But in sociology, we talk about the content of today. What the human being is doing today, what is happening right now, that is the difference. History, talk about past. Sociology, talk about present. The next is the difference between sociology and political science. Political science, as the name suggests, it is related with politics. Politics means the power. Political science is basically the study of politics and power. But sociology, it is not the study of politics, it is not the study of power. We also talk about the poor person, the needy person, the person who are suffering in sociology. But political science always talk about the influential people, those who are political leaders, those who are leading the society, those who are leading the party, those who are in the power and all, not the general people. We'll talk about the difference between sociology and economics. Again, see, economics is a subject where the people are talking about the money matters. Economics only talks about the money matters, not anything else. That when the economy is going up, economy is going down, and how the people are fighting to earn money, how the companies are doing a lot of hard work to better their rankings and all. But in sociology, we do not talk about money, we only talk about the human problems. Whether the people, they are poor, they are rich, or whatever they are. Irrespective of the problems of the people, those who are facing, irrespective of the money, irrespective of the caste and creed, we just talk about the normal human problems. And that is the content of sociology. And next, the last one is the difference between sociology and psychology. Psychology is the closest subject to sociology. Why? Let's talk about psychology first. What is psychology? In psychology, we talk about the individual's problem. If any individual is having some problem, some behavioral issues, or some family problems, that comes under the category psychology. But in sociology, as I told you, we talk about the pluralistic perspective. The people, those who are working for it, there should be a number of plural, not a single. If any individual is having any problem, that problem comes under psychology. If a lot of people are having some problem, a group, a society is having some problem, that is the problem of sociology. That is the content of sociology, not psychology. So hope you have got the difference between subjects. Once again, I want to revise sociology and anthropology. Sociology talk about nowadays whatever is happening. Anthropology talk about the human development from early man to till now. Sociology and history. Sociology talks about today's time, today's problems, today's human beings. History, we talk about the past events, the past kings and queens, past wars and all. Sociology and political science. Political science talks about the power, the politics, but sociology talk about the poor people, the needy people, and everyone, those who are suffering. Sociology and economics. Economics talks about the money matters, mainly the the very highly rich people, those who are having some kind of issues or running the factories to earn money or taking the economy of the country to up and down. But in sociology, we talk about each and every person irrespective of the money. Sociology and psychology. Sociology talks about the problem of the whole society, the whole group, but psychology talks about the problem of an individual only, not the problem of even the family. Problem of one individual comes under the category psychology.